A farmer had 3 donkeys and was taking them for a sale to the market. During the course of his journey, he found a river and deserved to take a dip. There was an issue though. He had only 2 ropes, but he had 3 donkeys. He wandered here and there and found a man, approached that man, asking for another rope to tie the 3rd one. That man didn't have the rope, but he had a brilliant suggestion. He told to the farmer that tie the 2 donkeys with the ropes that you have and ensure that the 3rd donkey is watching this action and pretend as if you are tying the 3rd donkey as well. The farmer followed the advice of the man and went for a dip in the river. When he came back, he found that the 3 donkeys stood exactly at the position where he tied them up. He felt happy. Now he started moving along with the donkeys. After a while, after walking for some distance, he noticed and realized that the 3rd donkey is not moving along with them. Now he started tapping back of the 3rd donkey, consoling him and trying to talk with the 3rd donkey. But 3rd donkey refused to move an inch from the place where he pretended to tie him. Helpless farmer again approached the same man. The same man asked the farmer that whether you untied the 3rd donkey. Untie? I never tied him up. You know that, but 3rd donkey doesn't know it. The farmer went through the imaginary motions and pretended as if he has untied the 3rd donkey. Guess what? Surprisingly, the 3rd donkey walked from that particular place and joined with his friends. My dear all, what is holding us back to fulfill our dreams, to achieve our goals? Is it a lack of support? Is it a lack of opportunities? Is it a lack of resources? Or are we tied up with the imaginary ropes such as fears, doubts, and hesitations? Certainly we are. So in order to achieve our goals, fulfill our dreams, we have to untie these imaginary ropes and expedite the work by which we can fulfill our dreams and achieve our goals. Thank you.